Ethan got home after a long shift and felt an unusual chill spreading through the house. A quick look at the thermostat confirmed it. The furnace had stopped working entirely. His mother, visiting for the week, pulled her sweater tighter but tried not to worry him. Ethan searched furnace repair service near me, hoping for someone reliable and quick. Rocky HVAC LLC showed up at the top with clear service details and genuine customer praise. He booked instantly, relieved to see they offered fast response times and honest pricing. A technician arrived soon after, diagnosed the issue, and explained the fix in simple, calm language. Warm air slowly returned, filling the home and easing the tension on his mother's face. The technician double-checked everything before leaving, making sure the system ran safely. Ethan realized it wasn't just a repair. Rocky HVAC LLC had earned his trust for good. Like him, to get a quick furnace repair service, call 410-446-2401 or visit rockyhvac.com.